And these are all we're going to use for this oat smoothie this morning. I have here 3/4 cup of oats which are already toasted, pineapple, apple, cashew nuts, dates already soaked and deseeded, strawberry yogurt, and water in case it is thick for my liking. So it's very simple as usual. We just add everything into the blender and blend until smooth, and you have your breakfast ready. So let's get started. We'll start by adding the yogurt, the oats, pineapple, the apples, the cashew nuts. I already soaked this to soften it. The dates. I want to add it a little cinnamon. I'll add it more of the yogurt. Then cover and blend. And here we have our oats, strawberry yogurt, apple smoothie. That is oats plus strawberry yogurt plus apple plus pineapple. Okay, I forgot pineapple. Here we have food. This is loaded. This breakfast is loaded. You drink this and you will not be hungry until lunchtime. This can help you lose weight. It's so filling and it can help you lose weight. So let's have a test. This is so delicious. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.